Hello everyone! Today we will practice the word relax. Let's practice with me. Relax. Please relax. Relax at work. I relax after work. You should relax more. We relax on weekends. Relax your mind. Relax and breathe deeply. Relax to reduce stress. Relax before the meeting. Try to relax now. Relax and focus on work. Relax your shoulders, please. Relax after a long day. Relax with a cup of tea. Relax to improve health. Relax and smile more. Relax during breaks. Relax and enjoy life. Relax your hands now. Relax and listen carefully. Relax to think clearly. Relax and speak slowly. Thank you for practicing with me. Please subscribe, like, and share English Audio Dict. See you again in tomorrow's video.